Good morning, students. As you know, in the last video I had discussed some properties of particles of matter, and now today I am continuing the same topic, characteristics of particles of matter. So today I am going to discuss one more characteristic, and it is particles of matter attract each other. For this we will perform an activity. For this activity, take an iron nail, a piece of chalk and a rubber band, and now try to break them by hammering, cutting or stretching. What do you observe after doing it? You will observe that in case of iron nail, more force is required to break it, and in case of rubber band, if you apply force, then after certain force the rubber band will break. So in different matter this force is different, and due to this force the particles remain close to each other. So the observation is more force is required to break iron nail. From this activity, what do we conclude? Conclusion: conclusion is that particles of matter have force of attraction between them, and due to this force the particles of matter remain held together. Now take a screenshot of it. Now I am going to discuss one more activity, and it is take some water, in a beaker, now try to cut the surface of water with your finger. What do you observe? You will observe that you can move your finger more easily through water. So, from this activity, why you can move your finger more easily? This is because in case of water, there is less force of attraction between the particles of water, and so we can move our finger more easily through water. So, what conclusion we can draw? Force of attraction is less in liquid state and due to it fingers can be moved more easily. Okay. So, now take a screenshot of it. Now, this session is over today, and we will discuss states of matter in the next video. Thank you, students.